You need a debit card, but you're tired of traditional banks. You've heard about the Cash App card and the Venmo card. Both let you spend your balance anywhere a debit card is accepted. But which one is actually better for you? This isn't about which app is better for sending money to your friends, it's about the card itself. And the truth is, the best card for you depends entirely on how you plan to use it. Let's break down the key differences, starting with what Venmo does well. Venmo's strength is its social nature. The card integrates seamlessly with the Venmo app, letting you easily track and split expenses with friends. If you're a college student, a young professional, or just someone who loves group outings and hates IOUs, the Venmo card's social features and bill splitting functionality are a huge plus. It also offers cashback and rewards, and it's a MasterCard, so it's accepted almost everywhere. For ATM withdrawals, you can use the MoneyPass network for free. And if you're into crypto, you can buy, hold, and sell a few major cryptocurrencies right in the app. Now, let's talk about the Cash App card. Cash App is all about customization and financial tools. You can get a sleek, customizable card design, which is a nice touch. But the real game changer is Cash App's boosts. These are instant, one-time use discounts at specific retailers, and you can swap them out whenever you want. So, you can save money on your coffee in the morning and on gas in the afternoon. Cash App also offers a more robust financial ecosystem. While Venmo is primarily for peer-to-peer payments, Cash App lets you invest in stocks and Bitcoin directly from your balance. It even offers a savings account with a competitive interest rate. So, here's the bottom line: if your life revolves around social spending, splitting dinner bills, paying for group trips, or just seeing what your friends are up to, the Venmo card is the perfect companion. Its integration with the social feed and bill-splitting features make it a no-brainer. But if you're looking for a card that offers more financial control and savings opportunities, the Cash App card is the clear winner. Its boosts are incredibly powerful for everyday savings, and the ability to invest your money and even earn interest on your savings makes it more than just a payment card, it's a financial tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.